I'm Jyoti, and I've been in the electrification industry for more than 10 years. And during that time, I've learned that we can have all the best products in the world, all the best financing options, but if we don't have the right installation infrastructure, we're not going to be able to give customers the experience that they expect. That's why I joined Installer.com, to fix this problem. I joined the team at Installer as an advisor and consultant around commercial strategy and go-to-market. I've learned a lot about the various different problems challenging the electrification industry. So at this point of my career, I wanted to work with specialist companies that I think solve problems that we need to solve in order to achieve scale. And Installer.com is one of those. I first heard about Installer.com when I was working at an EV charging company with the idea that the Installer.com infrastructure could provide last mile installation services for our home EV chargers. And it quite quickly became clear that the problem that it was built to solve was one that I've been wrestling with for more than 10 years. They put together a product which felt like it was a consumer product from rideshare or food delivery, a very kind of end-to-end customer experience that we've grown to expect from products and services in the past 5 years since COVID, really. Over the years, I've noticed hardware companies become software companies and utilities become software companies, and everyone converge on the digitization of the energy industry. More and more utilities are getting excited about the idea of offering their customers installation services for EV chargers, for solar panels, for batteries, for heat pumps. But not everyone is jumping in and growing as fast as they could, because I think many of these companies are pretty concerned about delivering great customer experience in the home. And installation of these kind of products and projects can be pretty involved, and the idea of coordinating all of this into a very high-end customer experience is a big challenge. Installer.com, in its ability to orchestrate the various different trades, the various different processes and phases of an installation, and to communicate all of that very clearly and simply to all parties, is going to be key to giving utilities the confidence to move further and further into offering these goods and services without the risk of damaging their brand, in fact, of elevating their brand as a provider of high touch, high quality experiences.